What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be unboxing, unplasticking. Alright guys, there they are. We got the wing blade in here, end plates, hardware, stand, some brackets for the stand, for the wing, hardwares, and maybe instructions. Yep, that's it. Let me assemble this quick and I'll show you guys the finished product. Alright guys, so that is the finished product. One thing I'm not sure with the bracket, if it's supposed to go like this or the other way, because my car is in Monrovia alignment, so I cannot test it right now. I have to wait. I haven't tightened everything yet because I want to wait for the car to come in, and I'll shoot some photos when it's in the car. It came with this bracket that goes in here to strengthen it, but it's just an optional for you if you want, or if you don't want, it's good. It says here. Yep, optional. Yeah, sure, I'll update this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Alright guys, so I just finished installing the wing. This is the PCI Swan neck wing. Yep, it fits perfect. That's how it looks. The mounting is straight to your OEM Type R or Type S, the wing, and yeah, that's how it looks. Goes like that. Don't worry, it's adjustable. And plate's adjustable, and the blade itself is adjustable as well. So you can tilt it if you want more downforce or less downforce. Yeah. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you for watching.